6:38 now. More help is headed to the Hill Country as they continue to recover from the devastating July 4th floods. At least 135 people died and hundreds more lost their homes and livelihoods. Governor Greg Abbott announced or personally handed out checks, that is, yesterday to families impacted in Central Texas. Those funds came from the benefit concert that country singer George Strait hosted in July, which raised more than $7 million. Governor Abbott told flood victims the state's goal is to help them rebuild their homes and lives as soon as possible.
We know you've been challenged in extraordinary ways. We want to be able to be a part of the process, not just now, but in an ongoing way to help you respond to those challenges.
Some residents were emotional after getting their checks from the governor, and some say it will go a long way to help them through the rebuilding process.